Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hope you are well. Dear audience, actually it's a great pleasure to me to say something before you. Also my mom came here. I'm not a good speaker and I'm not in the habit of speaking English in the public places, but I will try my best to deliver my speech. Before going to talk, I would like to thank my class teacher and my beautiful friends. Now I'd like to introduce myself. I'm 𝙎𝙥𝙤𝙠𝙚𝙣 my nickname is 𝙎𝙤𝙤. I am a student. I studied at 𝐻𝑎𝑡𝑗𝑎𝑡𝑖 Model Government High School. I recently completed my SSC examination. Now I'm working at 𝐾𝐀𝐊h𝐈𝐋 Home Service Makeover. I'm from 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙬 Chattogram. My hobby is traveling and practicing new makeup look. I recently traveled many places of Bangladesh. I traveled Rangpur, Bogura, Dhaka, Gaibandha. That's all. And I want to be a perfect beautician in future. That's all about me. Now I'd like to introduce my family. My father's name is Muhammad Firoz. He is no more. My mother's name is Shelna Firoz. She's a successful housewife and she is very beautiful. I have both 5 sisters and no brothers. That's all about my family. Dear friends, now I'd like to finish here today. May Allah bless all of you. Keep me in your prayers. That's all about my family. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.